Hello and welcome to a new video. I wanted to play Doom Eternal via the Xbox or Windows Game Pass, so I installed it here, and I'm a German. I have a German version of Windows and I have downloaded Doom Eternal here, and if I click play here, the game will start in German. The text and also the spoken language is also in German. However, I'd like to play the original English version, and I was wondering how to do that. Within the game, you cannot change the language. All I found on the internet is that the language is used from your Windows system, so I could change the language of my Windows system in order to change the language. However, that's not what I intended to do, to change all the languages. So I looked it up on the internet, and I also wrote a small blog post. I will put the link down below in the video description. And all you need to do is to start the game with a parameter. And this is a parameter plus syslang platform and then the language code in here. The first problem was how can I run the game with a parameter. Obviously, if I run the game from here, I cannot set any parameters. There's no setting here, like for example in Steam. I think it's possible there. So the first thing I needed to find out where the game is actually located on my hard disk. So I had a look on my computer, and I'm using the total commander here, because you cannot easily access these folders here with the Windows Explorer. So the Xbox app, the Game Pass app, installs the game here in Program Files, Windows Apps. As you can see, there's an exclamation mark on the folder, so it's not so easy to access the folder. You need admin rights. And now you find here the Bethesda Softworks Doom Eternal -PC version blah 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 link in here. And if you go into the link or the folder, then you find the ID Tech Launcher here. And that's actually the executable for the game. If I hit enter here, the game will start in German language, and all we need to do now is create a shortcut with the additional parameter for the language. So I already did that here. That is my shortcut for the launcher. If I go to the properties here, my Windows is in German, but it should look the same in the English version. So I have the target here, and it's Program Files, Windows Apps, Bethesda Softworks, Doom Eternal, language or version information, and then we have our ID Tech Launcher here. And after that, we put in the syslang platform en in here. You can copy the whole string from our web page. Just copy the link here and then create a shortcut on your desktop, for example, in order to get it working. And once I run this shortcut, I start the game with the shortcut, the game will be presented in the English language, the text and also the speech, the spoken word. And that's it. It should work with every version of the game. If you have the Steam version, I think you can add the parameter there easily from the launch commands. And well, for all other versions, I think you only need to know where the game is located and then create a shortcut with additional parameter. Okay, well, that's it.